remember him by. You know what's weirder? Hugo is... Ew!
Following message. We interrupt regular programming to sending out boats to investigate. Please. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. At 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time, multiple unknown objects fell from the atmosphere into waters of Lake Michigan. For more information, in this potentially... into waters in Chicago, releasing a red substance. Similar events have been occurring in New York, Dallas. See use only.